Superconductivity is one of the fascinating phenomena of physics. This is the first lecture of the session in which we are dealing with the definition of superconductors and its important properties. We all know that when a metal is cooled, its electrical resistivity decreases. This is because of the fact that as temperature decreases, thermal vibrations are lowered. Kamerlingh Onnes was a Dutch scientist working in this field. During one of his experiments, he found that the electrical resistivity of mercury vanished suddenly when the temperature is lowered to 4.2 Kelvin. This is a graph showing the variation of resistance with the temperature. For a normal metal, we can see that as temperature decreases, resistivity also decreases. In the case of a superconductor, when temperature is lowered, the resistance decreased and at a particular temperature it becomes zero. Thus, the phenomenon of losing electrical resistivity completely when cooled below a particular temperature is termed as superconductivity. The materials which show this phenomenon is termed as superconductors. They have zero resistance. In 1911, Kamerlingh Onnes discovered superconductivity. Meissner effect is the signature effect of a superconductor. It was discovered by scientists Meissner and Oceanfield in 1933. It is the expulsion of magnetic field lines from the interior of a superconductor in its superconducting state. That is, magnetic flux inside a superconductor is zero. Figure shows an ordinary conductor and a superconductor. When a magnetic field is applied to an ordinary conductor, the field lines penetrate inside the material. In the case of a superconductor, you can see that the magnetic field lines passes through the surface of the superconductor, but it won't get penetrated into its body. When the temperature is increased above Tc, the magnetic flux lines penetrates inside the body of the superconductor. When the temperature is less than Tc, the flux lines are expelled from the body of the superconductor. This expulsion of flux lines from the interior of a superconductor at a temperature below Tc is termed as Meissner effect. Shows the Meissner effect exhibited by a superconductor. This is a superconductor. This is a magnet. The background shows the cryogenic liquid. We can see that the superconductor floats on the magnetic field. It never touches the magnet. This is the expulsion of flux lines from the superconductor, which is the Meissner effect. This is the end of the first session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.